All the things that we
Hi guys, and welcome back to Craft Time Chronicles with Toya. I'm just finishing up the gift bags that I started with Elmo and Oscar the Grouch and Cookie Monster. So I printed out the image for the cookies.
I'll take my healthy savings card.
You don't even know what that card is for.
Actually, that's pretty much I be having. When you buy fruits and stuff, they give you a discount.
Oh, from Cub.
No, it's for my job too.
Oh,
Also,
but that's
they
for Cub.
participate. Huh?
But that's from Cub.
No, this is not. It's from UCare.
I know. Came out so cute. I'm gonna make the mouth a little smaller though, just to save the vinyl, because I really don't have that much. But look, it's